Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you on how to rank in Google Maps in 2020, right? Okay. So what is the first step here is, right? First, you have to find your comparators. Find your comparators. Okay. So this is the first example. Now what does it mean like, okay? So I go back to Google over here. Yeah. Yeah. So I go here, I type google.com, right? Okay. So I'll say that I want to only look out for UK. Okay. Search settings. Then I go here. I click on show more. Yeah. Then I click on United Kingdom. Okay. Right. Okay. Click on save. Okay. So I look out for proofreading services in London. Proof reading services in London. Okay. C. These are called as your local comparators. So basically what I am doing is I am finding out all the local proofreading services vendors who are based in London, right? So they are ranking in Google Snapback, right? These are top 3 positions. So this is what it means, like when you find the local comparators, right? First you have to find out like what keywords they are using, what location they are using, how many reviews they have, right? How many citations they have, right? So this is what you have to do, correct? So we'll go to the next step. Okay. So now you need to find the user location, right? So I go back to Google over here. See, if I go here, right? See, let's say I say here London proofreaders, right? So I want to find the user location, correct? So the location is London, London proofreaders. Okay, so here it is the address. Pop Brixton 49 Station Road, Brixton, London, right? Okay, so this is the user location, London. Yeah. Okay, so you need to find the user location. Now, what is the next important hack? Here it is. You need to find the user intent, right? Basically, you have to find the user intent, right? Okay, so this is the logic, right? Now, what happens to see the entire Google search algorithm is based on user intent, right? guess if somebody is looking for proofreading services in London, so if you need to identify with what intent he is looking for proofreading services in London, right? Okay, so this is what you have to keep in mind, correct? So this is the entire concept of user intent. Now we will go to Google My Business Insight panel. Google My Business Insight panel, right? See, now if you want to rank in Google Maps, right? Okay, so here it is. If I log out from here, yes, then what I do is I click on sign in again. Okay, and I click next. So what I do is I'll go here, I'll say use another account, I say I click here, right? I'll log in with my account. I'll say, so I'll get the authentication code over here, right? So it will do the authentication, correct? Right? Okay. So in the meanwhile, it does the authentication. So what are the key components in Google My Business panel, right? Okay. So first is your business name. Okay. What is the next component? You need to have the complete address. What is the next component? You need to define the categories. Right? What is the next component? You need to define the description. Right? And what is the next component? You need to define the total review count. So these are the parameters, right? Okay, which you have to define. Correct? I go here, I'll say as parameters for local SEO campaign. This is one, right? This is two, this is three, this is four, right? what is the next parameter? Is local citations. Local citations, right? You need to register your business in local business directories. Okay, like name, address, phone number as well. Okay, like you could have yellow pages, then you could have Yelp, right? Okay, then you could have Foursquare, right? So this is the parameter 5. Correct? I hope you got it right. Yeah, right. So I'll give you one more example with Google My Business, right? Okay, I go to google.com. Let's say I type picnic spot in Solapur, or I'll say picnic point Solapur. Yeah, so I have to explain you the entire panel over here, right? Okay, so I'll say this, right? So we will do some live case study examples, correct? See, this part, okay, this is the title which we have entered over here. So the entire information is being displayed in the knowledge panel of Google search results, right? Okay, this is the title. Then this is the total review count. Okay, so we have 247 reviews. This is the address, right? This you have contact number, correct? Okay, since we have displayed the Q&A. Okay, this is one of the important component. You need to add question and answers in Google My Business panel, right? You need to add question and answers in Google My Business panel. This is very important part which has to be understood, right? See, a lot of people ask questions with regard to your product or service, and then you can answer them as well, right? What is the most important component over here? you need to add a lot of photographs and videos, in Google My Business dashboard. Right? Okay. So this is one of the important parameter over here. Right? Correct? I hope you got it right. Now we will come to the next important plugin. This is called as Nap Hunter. Okay, this is the Google Chrome extension. Okay, now what is this Snap Hunter? Let's do it live. Okay, I go here, go to google.com, right? I'll type as Nap Hunter Google Chrome extension, right? Okay, now what I'll do is I'll click on the first link, right? Okay, so I'll say as Nap Hunter add to Chrome. I'll say add extension. Okay, see, this is the Nap Hunter which is had been added to Google Chrome, right? Okay, so I'll restart the browser. Okay, I minimize this screen. I click here. Yeah, see, this is the Nap Hunter. Okay, so I go to google.com. I'll say as my local keyword, say picnic spot near Solapur, right? Okay, see, so this is the third position of picnic point Solapur. Here it is. If I click here, Nap Hunter. So what I have to do is I have to type the business name. Okay, so I'll say as over here. I click it. Yeah. So we are trying to understand the mechanism of Nap Hunter, right? So this is how it is coming in. I'll copy this over here. Control C. I'll click here. Control V. What is the street address? I'll say it as here. Control C. What is the phone number? This is here, right? So I'll click here. I click on hunt, right? See, now this particular plugin will search out for all the local business directories, okay, which has been located in the similar location. See, here it is. This is the syntax, right? It will search for a lot of local citations, right? So this is the logic of NAP Hunter. So you guys can also use it, right? Okay. So I close the browser. Okay, clear? Now we'll study the next important component. So NAP Hunter is parameter 8. What is the next component? That you have to copy the strong points of your comparators. You have to copy the strong points of comparator. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll go here. We'll see one more example, right? Okay. I'll click on settings, click on search settings. Yeah. I click on show more, right? Okay. Then what I'll do is I click on UAE, right? So this is the UAE result. So I'll type as query as GPS tracker in Dubai. Okay. So we are trying to find out what are the strong points of the comparators, right? So Universal GPS tracker is on the number 1 position for GPS tracker in Dubai. If I click this URL over here, see what I'm gonna get is, right? So we have to see what are the key aspects your competitor has been using, correct? Right? So the internet is slightly slow today, so thank you for your patience. So what is the strong point of a competitor? Number 1 point is the rating of Google reviews is on the higher side. They have 4.7 rating over here. Okay, right? What is the second strong point is like they have used a primary keyword in the title itself, universal GPS tracker, right? Okay, universal is a brand. Okay, so GPS tracker is the keyword, right? So these are the strong points of the comparators, right? That is why they are on the number one position, as they have good citations as well, right? Okay, now we'll go to the tool SEMrush. Okay, so I believe I have discussed SEMrush in the previous videos, so I'll not give much information about this tool over here, right? I go to this tool SEMrush, right? Okay, right. So once you go to this tool, what you have to do is you have to enter the website link over here. Okay, enter the right. Okay, then so let's say I go here, I'll say GPS tracker in Dubai, right? So I click here, yeah, I click on website, right? Okay, so once I open the website over here, what I'm going to do is I am going to enter the website URL over here, right? Click on start now, right? Okay, so once you do that, you have to find the organic comparators. Okay, once you find the organic comparators, okay, I go back here, I say login, then you have to find the top organic keywords. Okay, right? So let's do it over here. See, here I am on the main page of SEM Rush. You can say I'm on the dashboard of SEM Rush, right? Okay, so I click on organic research, or I'll go down over here. See, I can find the top organic keywords, right? Yeah, these are the list of organic keywords over here, correct? See, here you can find the top organic comparators over here, right? Okay, then you have to find the top paid keywords. Right? So I go back here, I scroll down, right? So first you need to find out, okay, whether this comparator is actually going to run any paid campaign on Google Ads or not, right? If they are running the campaign on Google AdWords, yes, you will find the paid keywords as well. See, as of now, they are doing organic campaigns, right? So as they are not running any kind of paid campaigns, so definitely the traffic from paid search is absolutely zero. So you'll not find any keywords. But in case of comparators running any paid campaign, so you can also find the top paid keywords from this particular dashboard, right? I click here organic research, right? See, here it is. See, so this is amazing tool to get the data about your comparators, right? See what keywords they are targeting, what is the traffic cost, what is the branded traffic, non-branded traffic. You get complete information over here, right? So that you can target the same set of keywords, right? So let's say you have a business of GPS tracker in Dubai, right? So you come to know which keywords will actually give you inbound leads, right? So what type of keywords you're supposed to target, correct? So this is a complete list you get from SEM Rush, right? See, you also come to know what are the top pages over here as well. Then you know who are the main organic competitors. Complete report you get. If I click on backlinks, right? See, now SEMrush has a free feature where it will tell you your comparators is getting backlink from which sources, correct? Right? So this is getting loaded. So you can analyze the backlinks of your comparators as well from this particular tool, right? I hope that makes sense, right? So if I click on refresh, yeah, okay, so understood, right? Backlinks, it will come, right? So now what is the next parameter? The next parameter is very important, as we have already discussed, that you have to identify the meta title and meta description of your local comparators, right? I hope that makes sense, correct? Okay, so let's say universal GPS tracker. Okay, now you have to find out what type of meta types they have written over here. So I do as control U, right? Okay, then see, I can identify the title tag over here. Here it is, live GPS vehicle tracking system for vehicles in Dubai or car monitoring. So what you have to do is you have to copy the title tags in your sheet, right? Okay, clear? Then you'll see the description tag. Okay, here it is. See, so you have to copy the description tag in your Excel sheet. That makes sense? Yeah. So you have to copy the description tags of your comparators in the Excel sheet, right? Yeah. Now the last tool which you have to use is SpyFu, where you can get a lot of data about your comparators. Okay, so go to spyfu.com to collect the data about your comparators, right? I go here, so I close this. So I hope you understood, right, what type of GPS tag they have used, right? What type of meta tags they have used. They have used meta title, meta description, meta generator, meta robots, meta author, meta classification, all those kind of tags they have used, right? Okay, clear? So I go back to Google. I type as spy foo. Okay, I click here. Yeah, then I type as universal GPS tracker.com. I click on enter. See, this tool will also give me complete data about my competitors, right? Okay, how many organic keywords you are targeting, what is the CTR, right? And who are your organic competitors, what competitor share keywords they have, right? Okay, so you get complete data. See, the basic thing is you have to know what are the top keywords of your competitor, correct? Like what are the advert recommendation if they are going to run any adverts campaign, right? Right, see, this is the complete I hope that makes sense, right? See what type of inbound links they are actually getting it, right? So this is the dashboard of SpyFu. So my suggestion would be always always get the thorough data about your top 5 local competitors using the above tools. Before you start with the local SEO campaign, right? If you get this data about your top 5 local competitors, like what keywords they are targeting, what are the meta title, what is meta description, meta robots, what are the content strategy they are actually following, what is the content marketing strategy they are actually following, then you get a detailed insights about the ecosystem of the business, right? One more act I would like to share with you is you have to start with content marketing on your website with reference to local keyword. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to install WordPress blog on your website. Okay, then you have to find the local keywords. Okay, which is relevant to your business, right? Then you have to create the content on the local keywords, right? So you might be having a question how this is done. So I'll say fleetwood.com backslash blog, right? So I'm trying to show you everything live, right? Okay, so I close this. See, this is the WordPress platform, right? Okay, then what you have to do is our local keyword is GPS tracker in Dubai. So I do a control F. I say as GPS tracker in Dubai. See, so we created the content on local keyword, right? So if you create content on local keywords, actually you rank very quickly in Google Maps, right? So this is the important hack which you have to understand, right? See, once I open this page, what we did is see GPS tracking technology. Then we give internal links to the main landing page. See, this is the internal link to the landing page, right? So from the blog post page, while targeting the local keyword, you can give the internal link to the landing page, right? Okay, so this is the overview of Google local maps strategies which can help you to rank for the targeted keywords. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments, and please like and share this video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.